Now let's see this double precision. So this is the double precision. In double precision we are going to use 64 bits. Instead of 32 bits, so everything is same. So only thing is, instead of 32 bits we are going to use 64 bits here, and the bit distribution is like this. 1 bit is for sine, and 11 bits are for exponent, and 52 bits are for mantissa. Okay. Now whenever you have exponent and mantissa both are equal to 0, then this number represents 0. And whenever exponent is all ones, so if you have 11 ones, the value is 2 power 11 minus 1. 2 power 11 is 2048 and minus 1 is 2047. So whenever it is all ones, then if mantissa equal to 1, the number represents infinity. So if it is any number other than 0 and 2047, then what are the numbers? 1 to 2046, and whatever the value of mantissa is, it represents the implicit normalization form. So what is the value of it? According to the implicit normalization form, minus 1 power s into 1 dot m into 2 power e minus 1023. So one thing you should remember here is we are going for XS 1023 representation. Earlier it was XS 127, here it is XS 1023 because the exponent number of bits have been increased. Got it? Okay. And now whenever it is 0, the exponent is 0, and if mantissa is not equal to 0, it represents fractional form. So what is fractional form? Fractional form means minus 1 power s into, we are not going for any normalization, which means it is denormalized form. So directly whatever mantissa you get, you are going to write it as 0.m, that is fractional representation, right? So 0.m into 2 power minus 1023. Why minus 1023? You have to write it as e minus 1023. Since e is 0, it is 1023. E is 0. Got it? And whenever e equal to all ones, which means 2047, and m is not equal to 0, then it is not a number. It is reserved. So what are the combinations we have? So whenever e equal to 0, we can go with this fractional representation. Either you are going to get a fraction or you are going to get a 0 whenever e equal to 0, and whenever e equal to 111, right? So all ones, whenever it is all reserved, so which means one is you can represent infinity whenever e equal to all ones and m equal to 0, and other one is when e is all ones and m is not equal to 0, it is not a number. For now it is not used, and all the remaining things are used for numbers. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.